Hey guys, I got the 14-inch Greenworks electric chainsaw here, but I got the Kakei blade on there. Chain. I just put that on there. First time I've ever had to replace it on here, and it's only really because I hit a rock with the chain. But anyways, I'm gonna chop down this stump real quick with it. And I got a little grinder I'll use for like the very bottom, so I don't mess up another blade, but take it down pretty low, and just wanted to show it in action. It's a really great blade, awesome chainsaw as well. Done. Look at that clean cut too. And it's clean as a whistle right there. And that's probably what, about a 4-inch limb, maybe a little bit more, closer to 5. So no problem, just chops right through it, man. Barely used any battery. Love this thing, love this chain. Awesome, great combo.